As technology advances in semiconductor manufacturing, our customers require us to deliver precision and accuracy at a level that has never been achieved at scale before. Collaborative robots, or cobots, can support fab engineers by automating repetitive and sensitive operations. Here are some examples. For etch chamber cleaning, our cobots increase the safety of our employees by taking on the time-consuming task of cleaning the polymer buildup off the chamber sidewall. After cleaning, the cobot replaces consumable parts with a level of precision beyond what a human can do, leading to enhanced performance. And finally, for top plate installation, the cobot ensures that the bolts are installed in the right order with the right torque and tension every time. Lam's Dextro cobots provide a superior level of precision, repeatability, and first-time right, delivering better on-wafer results. And this is just one way that Lam is at the forefront of making the autonomous fab a reality.